Looking to finally tame the clutter and make every room feel organized? Your home is about to get a major upgrade with smart, space-saving solutions. These clever Amazon storage hacks help you tuck things away, maximize every corner, and keep your space looking neat with zero stress. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Shoes piling up and nowhere to put them? This rotating shoe tower turns clutter into a clean, eye-catching display. Just spin it to see every pair at once, so you're never digging or guessing. The vertical design stores tons of shoes while barely using any floor space. It's sturdy enough for sneakers, heels, and even handbags or hats. Easy assembly means you'll be organized fast, and your closet instantly feels bigger. So, if you want a clutter-free closet, scan the QR on screen. Messy shelves making your space feel out of control? These large fabric storage bins give you an instant cleanup win. You can toss in clothes, sheets, toys, or books, and actually find them later. The sturdy fabric holds its shape, so the bins don't sag or collapse over time. They fold flat when not in use, saving you space when you need it most. Clean, simple, and easy. Organizing finally feels doable. So, if you want stress-free storage, scan the QR on screen. First impressions start at the door. This slim shoe cabinet hides your footwear in clean flip-down drawers, so piles disappear instantly. The narrow design fits tight entryways without stealing walking space. Just pull a drawer, grab your shoes, and flip it closed. Everything stays out of sight. The sturdy metal build resists moisture and everyday wear, keeping your entryway tidy, calm, and always guest-ready. So if you want a clutter-free entryway, scan the QR on screen. Spin once, and your entire shoe collection appears. This rotating shoe cabinet keeps everything visible without taking over your space. Just turn it smoothly to find the pair you want. No bending, no digging. The vertical design stores a lot while staying slim and modern. With sturdy shelves and a clean glass finish, you get organized storage that feels more like furniture than a shoe rack. Small meals deserve smart storage. This compact glass container set keeps snacks, leftovers, and meal prep fresh without crowding your kitchen. The ceramic-coated glass is non-toxic, so you never worry about chemicals touching your food. An air-release lid seals tight, locking in freshness and blocking odors with one easy press. You can move it from freezer to oven or microwave, then straight into the dishwasher when you're done. Getting ready should feel effortless. This Swivel Jewelry cabinet combines a full-length mirror with hidden storage that spins smoothly all the way around. Touch the mirror and soft lights turn on, helping you see every detail without harsh glare. Inside, your necklaces, earrings, makeup, and accessories each have their own place. You save space, stay organized, and check your outfit head to toe in one clean motion. So if you want stress-free styling, scan the QR on screen. This bench looks soft, but it works hard. Lift the cushion top and you'll find hidden storage for blankets, shoes, or everyday clutter. The lid opens slowly and safely, so you never worry about slammed fingers. Wrapped in cozy teddy fabric, it adds warmth while giving you a comfy seat at the bed or entryway. It's sturdy, stylish, and secretly a storage hero. Linen closets don't have to be a mystery. These foldable sheet organizers keep each bedding set neatly packed and easy to spot. A clear window and label slot let you grab exactly what you need in seconds. The breathable fabric protects sheets from dust while helping them keep their shape. Stack them, slide them under the bed, or line up shelves and enjoy instant order every time. Shoes everywhere under your bed? These underbed organizers turn chaos into order. Each bag stores up to 12 pairs of sneakers or 24 flats, and the clear window lets you spot your favorite pair instantly. Made from sturdy, breathable fabric, they keep shoes dust-free and safe. Handles make sliding them in and out effortless, and when not in use, they fold flat to save even more space. So if you want a clutter-free floor, scan the QR on screen. Cooking just got easier. This set of 5 glass mixing bowls with lids handles everything from salads to dough to desserts. The thick, food-safe glass is durable and kid-friendly, while the wide rims keep stirring steady and spills at bay. Stack them to save counter space and use them in the microwave, oven, or freezer without worry. They're versatile, practical, and perfect for everyday kitchen prep. Tired of tripping over messy cables or hunting for the right charger? This cable management box keeps all your wires neat and hidden. Just drop in power strips, adapters, and cords. Then close the lid for an instant tidy look. It comes with 10 reusable cable ties to keep everything secure and organized. Plus, it protects kids and pets from dangerous wires while giving your home or office a clean, sleek vibe. Say goodbye to hunting for the right battery when you need it most. This double-sided organizer stores up to 180 batteries of every type, from AA to D and coin cells. The clear lid lets you see everything at a glance, so nothing gets lost or mixed up. A built-in tester checks if batteries are still good, saving you from surprises. Compact, portable, and easy to carry, it keeps your power ready anytime, anywhere. So if you're tired of dead batteries, scan the QR to shop now. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. This 3-tier sorter lets you separate clothes, toys, or household items without taking up much space. Removable mesh bins keep everything airy to prevent odors and make carrying a breeze. Smooth rolling wheels glide across floors, and locks keep it steady when you need. Durable, foldable, and versatile, it's perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or anywhere you need organized storage. Keep your knives and utensils within easy reach and off the counter. This magnetic holder grips knives, scissors, and kitchen tools securely while freeing up valuable countertop space. Made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it handles moisture without rusting. You can mount it with screws or strong adhesive. No drilling required. Sleek, safe, and convenient, it turns your kitchen into an organized, efficient workspace. Makes storing vegetables and fruits effortless. This 3-tier rack comes fully assembled. No tools, no instructions, just open and go. Its rotating baskets fit perfectly under counters, saving space in small kitchens or apartments. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel, it stays stable while holding potatoes, onions, or snacks. Smooth rolling wheels let you move it anywhere, and lockable casters keep it in place. Stylish, sturdy, and ready to use. It's a kitchen game changer. So if you want an organized kitchen, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to cluttered counters and lost cups. This rotating organizer holds 6 tumblers snugly, including Stanley 40 ounces and other popular bottles. Just spin the holder to grab your favorite drink quickly. No digging through cabinets. Made from sturdy carbon steel with a stylish wooden base, it stays stable and secure. Easy to assemble and functional, it keeps your drinkware organized while looking great in your kitchen. Struggling to reach shampoo or soap in the shower? This 360 degrees rotating corner caddy brings everything within easy reach. 2 tiers and handy hooks give you space for bottles, sponges, or even kitchen items in RVs. Made from durable, water-resistant plastic with quick drain holes, it keeps everything dry and tidy. No drilling required, just stick it on and let it spin, saving space and hassle in any corner. Say goodbye to messy pantry shelves. This rotating grain bin has 6 compartments to keep rice, grains, and flour neatly separated. Just push a button to dispense the exact amount you need. No spills, no fuss. Airtight, moisture-proof lids keep everything fresh longer, while the transparent design lets you see what's inside at a glance. Compact, stylish, and practical, it's perfect for any kitchen countertop or pantry. So, if you want easy pantry organization, scan the QR on screen. Tired of digging through piles of shoes? This foldable organizer keeps up to 32 pairs neatly stored and dust-free. Adjustable dividers let you customize compartments for sandals, boots, or even clothes. The clear cover makes it easy to see what's inside without opening it. Strong fabric and sturdy boards mean it won't sag or tear. Compact, stackable, and versatile, it's perfect for closets, dorms, or entryways. Keep your sink area neat without lifting a finger. This sponge caddy is self-draining, so water flows away and your countertop stays dry. It has 3 compartments for sponges, brushes, and soap, keeping everything within reach. Anti-slip pads hold it steady while protecting surfaces, and rust-proof stainless steel ensures it lasts. Compact and efficient, it's perfect for small kitchens or crowded countertops. Show off your jewelry and find it instantly with this 360 degrees rotating organizer. 5 drawers, ring slots, and hooks keep necklaces, earrings, and bracelets neatly separated. The soft velvet lining protects your pieces, while the glass top lets you see everything at a glance. Compact yet spacious, it spins easily for quick access. Stylish and practical, it's perfect for keeping your collection tidy or giving as a thoughtful gift. So if you want effortless jewelry organization, scan the QR on screen. Keep socks, underwear, and small items organized without taking up drawer space. These wall-mounted boxes stick easily, no drilling required, and the clear window lets you see what's inside. Dust-proof covers keep everything clean, while the compact design saves room in bedrooms, bathrooms, or dorms. Each box is sturdy, easy to access, and perfect for tidying up small essentials. Practical, colorful, and versatile, it helps your space stay neat effortlessly. Keep your cereal fresh and your countertop tidy. This bamboo dispenser stores dry foods like cereal, granola, or coffee beans in an eco-friendly container. Just turn the handle to pour a perfect portion every time. No mess, no guessing. The airtight lid preserves freshness, and the removable tray makes cleanup easy. Stylish, sustainable, and practical, it's a simple way to organize your pantry and streamline your mornings. Maximize every inch under your sink with this 2-tier pull-out organizer. Adjustable shelves let you fit everything from cleaning supplies to toiletries, while sliding baskets give easy access without bending or digging. Made from rust-resistant carbon steel, it's sturdy and built to last. The open grid design prevents water buildup, keeping items dry. Compact, practical, and versatile, it's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. So if you want an organized under-sink space, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to crowded closets. These space-saving hangers let you hang up to 48 pieces in the space of just a few. Reinforced hooks hold heavy coats and thick clothes without bending or breaking. The 360-degree swivel design makes it easy to grab what you need, while the collapsible structure keeps everything neat and tidy. Fully assembled and ready to use, it's perfect for dorms, small bedrooms, or anyone needing extra closet space. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.